Every journey begins at the source. From dust to...
Only healthy animals move forward. Only healthy animals move forward.
Careful handling ensures quality.
The process shifts from land to industry.
Inside, precision takes control.
Strict hygiene starts at entry.
Every worker follows safety protocol.
Ethical handling remains essential.
Cleanliness defines the outcome.
技术提升了效率。
Quality is checked at every step.
Precision cutting begins.
Each cut has a purpose.
Balance defines flavor.
Accuracy matters.
Traceability ensured.
Freshness locked in.
Safety is scientifically verified.
Freshness preserved for transport.
Standards approved. From factory to market. And this is how modern factories produce camel meat from start to finish.